On Friday, the 15th of May, we have a 6, a 5, a 8, a 10, and the path is a 3. So that means that our ultimate goal is to find joy. Joy within ourselves, joy within our family, joy within our work, joy. Joy is the key. That is really your sentence for today. And how to make joy? Well, you need to learn and to have some time so you can sit and listen to your intuition, because your intuition will bring you exactly at the right place at the right place at the right time. So trust your intuition, and also with all the numbers together, and it is, the 5 this month is asking us to keep on moving. Don't stay stuck. So if you want to have fun, it's a great day to go out and meet some new people and do something, or with your friends, family, but go out and meet and be social and be active and just move. Don't stay stuck. So you can move your hands, you can move your body, just move it. And through that movement, you will move. The energy will move, and you feel like, wow, what's happening here? It's bringing me so much joy. And that's exactly what this day is for.